Hello and welcome to Skyway Classic Cars, and today we're here to present you with a 1966 Ford Mustang with a straight 6 3-speed automatic. It's been taken care of very well. Take a look at the paint. It's in excellent condition. Another point that I'd like to point out on this car is if you take a look at the vinyl roof, it's in really good shape. And where Mustangs are known to have problems, this does not have the problems in the bottom corners. Now, if you take a look, you go along, all the chrome, not pitted. We do have the wire hubcaps, we have the chrome hubcaps. We have the full metal chrome bumpers and chrome accessories. None of them are pitted.
Yep, very, very good condition.
And the paint shows very well, buffs out really well. And we have an extra treat. This car is an AC car.
Yes.
And the interior is in excellent condition. No rips, no tears, no cracks. Very excellent condition. For a 1966, this car is in great shape.
Absolutely.
Even take a look at the dashboard. There's no cracks on the dashboard, which for a Florida car, that is amazing.
Yep. We do have some additional documentation there in the dash on the car.
Now, if you are looking for a black and white beauty,
Yep.
1966 Mustang, this is definitely a driver quality, and it's something that you can take to a show.
Yep, and it's ready to roll. All right, we're gonna get that engine cranked up, take a look at the engine bay, take it for a test spin, and then we will take a look underneath. Stay tuned. Here we go.
Okay, here we're going to start her and take her for a drive, and let's see how she does.
All right.
Awesome!
Cold start's great.
Transmission grabs how it should. Now we're going to take her out on the road here, so that way we can...
Nice transmission. Awesome.
Grabs the way it's supposed to.
Awesome, awesome. Alrighty, we're gonna turn her around and we will put her back on the lift and take a look at the undercarriage. Thanks so much, David.